ma'am, and all my friends present in this meeting. Today, we the students of class 9C are going to showcase a short video on the topic diseases and their management by the government. So why are we wasting time? Let's move on to our first part.
Swine flu, also known as the H1N1 virus, is a relatively new strain of an influenza virus that causes symptoms similar to the regular flu. It originated in pigs but is primarily spread from person to person. Swine flu made headlines in 2009 when it was first discovered in humans and became a pandemic. The first case of the flu in India was found on the Hyderabad airport on 13th May 2009 when a man traveling from US to India was found H1N1 positive. Subsequently, more confirmed cases were reported, and as the rate of transmission of the flu increased in the beginning of August with the first death due to swine flu in India in Pune, panic began to spread. Natco Pharma and Strides Aircolabs have launched their generic version of oseltamivir, Natflu and Starflu. These drugs were made available to the customers directly under prescription. Since the time in 2009 when the H1N1 virus was spreading and the World Health Organization called it a pandemic, people have continued to get sick from swine flu, but not as many. While swine flu isn't as scary as it seemed a few years ago, it's still important to protect yourself from getting it.
So, now we all know how dangerous H1N1 aka swine flu virus was so dangerous at the start of 2009. But with time, slowly it fled. But some cases are still found, as told by my friend Saptash. Soon, another deadly disease broke out. Its name was dengue. It is spread from dengue virus, which comes from a specific breed of mosquito. This breed was present since 1780s, but the major number of cases of this broke out during 2016-17 in India. In 2016, 245 dengue deaths were reported from across India, while the number of cases jumped to 1,29,166. Delhi saw 4,431 cases and 10 deaths. The number of dengue deaths across the country includes 325 and cases are 1,88,401. In the end of 2016, among the deceased, there were 2 students of our school, due to which our school was closed for almost 5 months. But after this time, our school was totally changed. It was cleaned and sanitized. Now, there is no specific antiviral treatment for dengue. Supportive care is used to help with these symptoms. Usually, analgesics, hydration, and bed rest are enough to help patients through their infection. Now the question arises, I guess vaccine has already been introduced. Yes, you are right, but it is not enough. One dengue vaccine, Dengvaxia, has been approved for use in some countries, but it is not yet available in the United States. This dengue vaccine has proven effective in tests conducted in Asia and Latin America. Other dengue vaccines are in various trial stages throughout the world. This includes Denvax phase 2 trials, Denvpiv phase 3 trials, and V180 phase 4 trials. There is no timetable for when or if these vaccines will be available in the United States. As of now, the best form of dengue protection is the US travelers is through preventing mosquito bites.
Good morning, ma'am. So now I'm studying tuberculosis 1884 to 1980. On March 24th, 1884, Dr. Robert Koch announced the discovery of Mycobacterium tuberculosis, the bacteria that causes tuberculosis. On that point of time, tuberculosis killed 1 out of 7 people in USA and Europe. So now we will see what is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis TB is a contagious infection that usually attacks your lungs. It can also spread to other parts of your body like your brain and spine. A type of bacteria called Mycobacterium that tuberculosis causes it. Can tuberculosis be cured? In the 19th and 20th century, TB was a leading cause of death in the United States. Today, most cases are cured with antibiotics, but it takes a long time. You have to take medications for at least 6 to 9 months. Tuberculosis types. A TB infection doesn't always mean you will get sick. There are 2 forms of this disease. One is latent TB and second is active TB. But first we will see what is latent TB. You have the germs in your body, but your immune system keeps them from spreading. You don't have any symptoms, but you are not contagious. But the infection is still alive and can one day become active. If you are at high risk for reactivation, for instance, if you have HIV, you had an infection in past 2 years, your chest x-ray is unusual, or your immune system is weakened, your doctor will give you a medication to prevent active TB. Second, active TB. The germs multiply and make you sick. You can spread the disease to others. 90% of active cases in adults come from a latent TB infection. A latent or active TB infection can also be drug resistant, meaning certain medication doesn't work against the bacteria. Now we will see some tuberculosis causes. Tuberculosis is caused mainly by bacteria that spread through the air. Just like a cold or the flu, you can get TB only if you come into contact with people who have it. If you have latent TB, your doctor will give you medication to kill the bacteria, so the infection doesn't become active. You will have to take the drugs for up to 9 months. If you see any signs of active TB, you have to call your doctor right away. A combination of medicines also treats active TB. You will take them for 6 to 12 months. If you have drug resistant TB, your doctor might give you 1 or more different medicines. You have to take them for longer and longer time, up to 30 months, and they can cause more side effects.
A very good morning, respected ma'am and all my dear friends present here. Nowadays, a new type of disease has been brought to the spotlight. Yes, I'm talking about depression. Nowadays, this word has become a fancy word. Every student to whom something bad happens says, I'm in depression, ma'am. And this is the conclusion for all of them. You think feeling bad is depression? No, absolutely not. Certain memes are made after the demise of the young yet talented actor Sushant Singh Rajput, like this one which is on the screen. Depression is a state of low mood and aversion to activity. It can affect a person's thoughts, behavior, motivation, feelings, and a sense of well-being as well. It may feature sadness, difficulty in thinking and concentration, and a significant increase or decrease in appetite and time spent sleeping. People experiencing depression may have feelings of dejection, hopelessness, and sometimes suicidal thoughts as well. It can either be short-term or long-term. The core symptoms of depression is said to be anhedonia, which refers to the loss of interest or a loss of feeling of pleasure in certain activities that usually bring joy to people. Depressed mood is a symptom of some mood disorders, such as major depressive disorder or dysthymia. It is a normal temporary reaction to life events, such as the loss of a loved one, and it is also a symptom of some physical diseases and a side effect of some drugs and medical treatments. Now let us move on to anxiety disorders. Anxiety disorders are a group of mental disorders characterized by significant feelings of anxiety and fear. The cause of anxiety disorders is thought to be a combination of genetic and environmental factors. About 12% of people are affected by anxiety disorders in a given year, and between 5% and 30% are affected over a lifetime. Treatment options include lifestyle changes, therapy, and medications. There is no clear evidence as to whether therapy or medication is more effective, the choice of which is up to the person with the anxiety disorder, and most choose therapy for it. That is all for today. Thank you for having patience with us, and we hope you have a great day ahead.
HIV or AIDS in India is an epidemic. National AIDS Control Organization estimated that 2.1 million people approximately 0.30%, 88th largest in the world. And the HIV/AIDS Control Bill was introduced in Rajya Sabha on 11 February 2014 and was passed on 24 March 2017. It sought to end stigma and discrimination against HIV-positive patients in workplaces, hospitals, and society, and ensuring patient privacy. The NATO has increased the number of centers providing free antiretroviral treatment from 54 to 91. All these centers have trained doctors, laboratory technicians, and counselors. At the end, I just want to say that we should not take this as a joke, as I have seen or heard several videos taking this as a joke. It should be taken seriously. Of HIV or AIDS, the main factors which led to the spread of HIV or AIDS in India were extensive labor migration and low literacy rate in certain rural areas, creating lack of awareness and gender expertise. There are 2 million children who have lost one or both parents due to AIDS or HIV. There are also millions of children whose survival is threatened due to the exposure of HIV or AIDS. The mental health of AIDS orphans are worse. The child often worries about the resource scarcity.